Right, I'm back now with the part 3 of the Tamiya TL01 restoration, and these are the new parts that I bought. There's a box here full of bits, not very exciting bits if I'm honest, but bits nonetheless. I will go over the parts that I've already had, which is a battery, a motor which I think is an HPI firebolt, and I've just soldered on some bullet connectors because they were missing. My receiver, which is just an Electronics pulse doohickey, and the Tamiya Hobby Wing 1060. So yeah, I'll use that. So these are the things I already had, so thankfully I didn't have to buy those. And then the things that I have bought, which where's the other bits? There they are. So these arrived today. Some stainless steel hinge pins for the TL01, or suspension shafts. So instead of using those hinge pins, so that's going to be all those C-clips. So yeah, that'll be for the lower A-arms, mostly. So that's would be a good upgrade, I think. And I did buy a steering upgrade. I bought some turnbuckles and some ball ends. Unfortunately, because I'm a bit stupid, I bought the wrong ball ends. I think I need 5mm ones. These are too small. So I literally just purchased some 5mm ones on eBay, annoyingly, because I just thought that the ball ends were the same as the, yeah. So yeah, these are 5mm turnbuckles and these are 4mm ball ends. So be careful and make sure you buy the right ball ends. Unfortunately, I don't have any additional ball ends to use other than what's on my Kong head. So I could take the ones off of my Kong head just to build the TL01 back up. And once I get the new ball ends, I'll put those onto the Kong head. Although I think they might be different colours. Not that it matters, but I might do that. So yeah, I bought some turnbuckle upgrades for the TL01, which unfortunately was a bit of a, yeah, it didn't quite work out. Screws, I bought some screws. So these are for this is for the C-hubs, for the steering. And this is for the motor. I bought these because the other ones, the current ones, are looking like they're rounding off. So I had to get some of those. 21 tooth steel pinion from Schumacher, not the Tamiya one, because I've heard that those are soft metal. I'm assuming steel is better. I'm not sure. But yeah, I just bought a 21 tooth pinion. So it's a mod 6. Yeah, mod 6 or 0.6 mod. So there's that. Something that has absolutely nothing to do with this is that I just bought some double-sided tape. This isn't what I thought it was. I thought it was the black stuff that you get with the kits, but it's not. But hopefully it's still going to be pretty good. I just need some of this stuff. But I was hoping it was the black tape. So yeah, that was just something I just threw in because I wanted. Same with the tire foams. I bought these because obviously I'm going to get some wheels and tires. So I just bought some hard foams to stick in the tires once I've actually got them, which I'll be buying hopefully at the same time I buy the body shell, which won't be for a while now, probably until next month. Now that I've bought a load of these gubbins. Only two things left. A basic Electronics digital metal geared servo. This is kind of one of the ones I buy for my cars, as 9.3 kilograms at 0.13 seconds. It's fine for an on-road car. It's fine. Not the best, I'm sure, but it does what it needs to do. So, you know, it's fairly basic and cheap. I don't really see the need to go any higher than these specs for an on-road car. So, and then the last but not least is the kind of the biggie. That's the oil-filled shocks, which I'm hoping will fit. If it's the TT02, it should fit on the TL01. The TT02 shocks are 55mm from eye to eye, and it looks like so are the ones on the TL01. So there's no reason, hopefully, that these won't fit, unlike the mistake I made with the bloody ball ends. So yeah, that'll be a nice little upgrade there with the shocks. I don't like building these. I actually really do not like building these. They are a pain. They are a massive pain in the backside, especially with the C-hubs, the C-clips. Oh look, these are the ones I need. I could just pinch those. No, I won't do that. And yeah, they are the same as the ones on my Kong head, which incidentally is just here. Oh. There's my Kong head with my Traxxas Rustler body shell on. Oh god. I think they're the same. I might have to just sort of take one off of here. I mean, it looks pretty good, you have to admit. It looks good. And it's even got the light bar still and everything. I'm planning to put a brushless motor in this, which I do have one. But I also want to get a new servo with a bit more torque, possibly spiked tyres, and a new Rustler body shell for it. And make it fit like I did with this one. So, yeah, even change the, did put a different front bumper on, which incidentally is the same as the TL01. So, possibly some oil-filled shocks as well. But yeah, this will be another video eventually. This Tamiya Rustler 6x6 or Traxxas Kong head. What did I call it? I think I called it the Tamiya Rustler 6x6 in my original video. So yeah, but it is identical in some ways to the TL01 with the way it's set out and the chassis and whatnot. It uses the same arms and everything, same steering hubs or wheel hubs. So yeah, should have yeah. So I'm hoping. Did I move this? I think this moved. Oh god, why is this so stiff? Come on, move. Oh god. Fucking hell. So I try not to swear in these videos. Easy, easy. There we go. Okay. Oh, let's put that there. See, I might pinch the ones off of my Kong head just so I can kind of build the TL01 up. And then once the new ones come, I'll put them on the Kong head. So, get everything in shot. Not that it matters, but. So, but yeah, there we go. That is all the parts I bought for the TL01, except technically those. But everything else for the TL01. Yeah, like I say, it's not as exciting as some of the other bits that I buy when, you know, like when I include a speed controller and a motor, but I've already got those, so didn't need to buy some more. I was looking forward to the steering upgrade, but that's going to have to wait probably. The suspensions, that should be a good upgrade, hopefully. And yeah, I'm actually recording this before I finish part 2. So obviously part 2 will go up first. So I'm going to record the last part to part 2, showing the chassis in its somewhat complete state. So, but you'll know that because you'll see that first before this one. Oh god. Yeah. I'm having to sit quite awkwardly because of where I've got the camera sort of between my legs, kind of thing. So yeah. I think that's pretty much it, to be honest. I'll get on finished part 2, and yeah, I'll do the whole pinching thing, and I'll see if they all fit and whatnot, and get the stuff off the Kong head just to build up the TL01, and we'll go from there. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in part 4, which will no doubtless, I suppose, be the body. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I'll be back soon. Like, that might be a month away though, just because of how much I've already spent and how much I'm going to have to spend. So, yeah. When I can. I'll do it when I can. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.